Today we are going to make a snowflake. I use the dark gray color. You can use it. The color you want is 5-layer yarn. First we will start with measuring. We will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then double crochet in this ring. Chain 2, 1, 2, continue with double crochet. We will make 5 double crochet in this ring. Chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last double crochet, chain 2. We will put this tail tight and connect it to the third stitch, first, second, third. Make 3 knots. For round 2, we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will make 3 double crochet in this space. 1 double, 2 double, 3 double. After we finished 3 double crochets in this space, we chain 2, 1, 2, and we will make 2, 4 double crochets in this space. 1 double, 2 double, 3 double, 4 double, chain 2, another 4 double crochets in this space. 1 double, 2 double, 3 double, 4 double, chain 2. We will repeat it in every space. After we finish the last 4 double crochets in this space, we will make 3 knots. And then for round 3, we will make 2 slip knots. And then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip knot again in this piece, in this space. And then we chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip knot in the same space. And we chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and slip knot in the same space. After we finish the slip knot, we chain 5 again. 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip knot in the same space. And chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip knot to next stitch. And continue to make 2 slip knots. And chain 3, 1, 2, 3, with the knot in this space, and chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, the knot in this space. We chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we chain 5 again, 3, 4, 5. Also slip knot in the same space, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, with slip knot to next stitch, and continue with 2 slip knots, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip knot in this space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip knot in this space, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slip knot to this space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip knot in this space, we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip knot to next stitch, and continue. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, and slip knot to next stitch. Here we can cut off the yarn. We will hire the tail. Then we cut off the tail. And here we put a pearl. Need to show a pearl on the center. With this snowflake, you can make it as brooch and hairpin